how to adjust line spacing in Canva. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to create a text box by going to our left-hand side here where it says text. And I'm going to choose a text box. So to save time, I will paste my text in here. And I will resize it like this so you can see it better. Let me just position it. Okay. Once you have your text, you want to select it and go up here where it says spacing. Now you remember you don't want to use the letter spacing because that will change the spacing between your letters. You want to go down here to where it says line spacing. Now you can adjust the spacing between each line of text. It can go down and up. And that's how you adjust line spacing in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.